So how about we're just gonna tell what we did. Hi guys, this is Catherine with the Claire de Lune by Debussy. Explain what we fix here and what would be helpful for others for this intro.
So we mainly worked on volume and like tone and like crescendo and diminuendos and pedal work
Yes.
with the footing.
So pedal work, we decided to just go with the like 1/4, very little pedal, and we added also the left pedal, which is concertina in Italian, right? And it's pretty good. So a little bit crescendo here, and hopefully, so let's make some suggestions. What we can do with the pedal when we use the right pedal, damper pedal. What is the options and would be good for this piece?
Probably like play it like every measure, but like very lightly.
No, I'm not talking about this. I'm talking about the distance between the bottom. So as less as possible, right?
Yeah.
As much as it's capture the notes for us, it's good enough. So it doesn't need to be like fully down, half down, just maybe a quarter. As long as gets us the sustained sounds, right? Because we want as much as possible transparency here. Right? Okay, thank you. Hopefully someone learned something.